You may wonder, what is carbon emissions, carbon sequestration, or a carbon footprint? What does it have to do with me and the way that I farm? Why is everyone talking about it? Well, our planet is warming up. This is largely due to human activities increasing the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere beyond the Earth's ability to cope with these emissions. What's more, agriculture, forestry, and land use change contribute to approximately 1/4 of the world's greenhouse gas emissions. But the way in which we farm can also allow carbon to be reduced by capturing it in the soil. Ideally, you should first look at reducing your carbon emissions by measuring and managing your hotspots. Hotspots are those activities that contribute most to the overall emissions on a farm, such as diesel and synthetic nitrogen use. And secondly, look at ways to capture carbon in the soil. How you do this is to move towards a minimum till, or even better, no-till system. Retain sufficient organic soil surface cover through crop residues and living plants. Reduce the amount of synthetic fertilizer used, especially nitrogen. Increase your crop diversity, including cover crop mixtures in rotation. And integrate livestock through grazing on cover crops. It can have so many benefits for you. It has a positive impact on biodiversity, soil health, and water. It leads to the effective management of weeds, pests, and diseases, as well as improved food quality, higher and more stable production and profitability, higher carbon sequestration rates, higher resource use efficiency, and ultimately, conservation agriculture will help you mitigate and adapt to climate change. Keeping all of this in mind, on the one hand, we hope you realize how important it is to measure and understand your carbon emissions. On the other hand, you should be aware that you can make a positive contribution towards carbon sequestration and soil health. Not only is it good for the planet, it also reduces your risk and it will help you adapt to a changing world and climate. Remember, with diversity comes resilience.